My name is Holly Sullivan, and this is my front yard, which was all lawn when we moved in. We moved in a year ago, and I have converted it to a pollinator garden, and we'll also use it next year, hopefully, to grow some veggies. It's actually a mandala design, so to help increase the space that we can use to plant. It has permeable pavers so that more of the water can get through to the soil. And also it allows for the soil to be less compacted where you plant.
Knowing sort of the systemic way in terms of how nature interacts with our environment and how it provides services that we sometimes take for granted. When trees provide shade, when they help prevent soil erosion and that sort of thing, you sort of start seeing how these all work together and they help kind of create benefits for all of us.
The reason why I wanted to be involved in the project and to plant this garden and do some of the other things we've done in our yard is because long-term increase our food security as a family, hopefully provide a bit of food security in the neighborhood, also to the pollinators and the birds and the rabbits and all the little creatures that visit the yard.
I think it'll be important for us to teach Elliot sort of where his food comes from and how different animal species form this ecosystem and how even just a bee pollinating a plant can have these other effects that will create these benefits down the line. So it's all sort of making sure that he understands sort of how all of this works together.
Nature Alberta was definitely instrumental in helping us to achieve this in our yard, and will be a great support moving forward to help us kind of continue to learn about pollinator gardens and biodiversity and how to increase and maintain that in the city. And I have already met a few people through the Facebook group and have been sharing ideas and things like that. So I think it'll be a really good resource moving forward.
I think a lot of times homeowners don't maybe not think about it is because they don't know about it. So I think a lot of it is about knowledge and a lot of it is about access. And so if Nature Alberta can provide these things to more homeowners, then I think it'll benefit sort of all Edmontonians overall.